Hello everyone, welcome back to the shed. I'm Lonnie.
Hey, I'm Candace. Welcome back.
Well, we're filming today. We're just working in here for a few hours. Actually, we've already been out here for a little bit. It's like almost 10:30. And yeah, we're waiting for this hurricane to come in. It's still coming right our way.
Yeah.
It's still a Category 1. It's going to be supposedly a Category 1 when it hits. Looks like it's going to hit. Let's see. I won't make all this a weather report, I promise. Just a little bit here. It's going to hit at 90 miles an hour when it makes landfall. And then we just measured it. It's about 60 miles as the crow flies from here to where we're at. It's currently moving. Oh, it'll be moving 15 miles an hour. So it will be getting the eye if it stays on that same track, which everybody says it is on that track. We'll be getting the eye about 11 o'clock tonight. And the reason we're filming right now is, and we're going to make this video probably pretty short. We're not sure. We're not sure what's going to happen with this storm. There's a really good chance we could be out of power for a few days to a week, or who knows.
Right, and even with the eye not hitting till tonight, you start getting those outer bands, which could knock power out. It could knock a tree down on a line or touching a line or whatever.
Right, we have no idea what's going to happen. So this could be our last shot. If you see this, this could be our internet's running kind of slow right now. We have all this rain coming right here. We're going to go through all that rain for 3 or 4 hours before the hurricane hits us.
Yeah.
So we don't know when the next time we're going to be releasing the video is. So I thought we would go ahead and try and get another one up now, but we're running out of time.
I'm hoping this thing is just going to shoot through here and we'll be back in here tomorrow morning, business as usual.
Hey, that'd be nice.
I know.
That's the goal. I don't know how realistic it is.
I know.
But yeah, we believe it or not, y'all saw us put the store on vacation mode yesterday, or time away mode. We actually sold more on time away mode than we did the day before when we weren't on time away mode. So I don't understand that.
eBay is crazy.
But what we decided to do, we're pretty sure we're not going to have mail service today. But in case we do have a power outage, we do have these orders that need to go out. We do have a generator we have actually a couple of generators we're going to be doing, trying to keep food cold and stuff like that with. Maybe run a window unit at the house or something like that. But I'm not sure. I'm just not sure that we're going to be able to mess with printing labels and stuff. We don't have to get this out till Monday anyways, but while we have power, while we're talking to y'all, we might as well do this now. And who knows, the carrier might show up today.
It's happened before. They've come the day we were getting a storm.
Right. I don't know if I really want to send them with packages right now anyway.
That has happened one time. They went to the post office and the post office ended up losing power. Or something happened. I'm trying to remember.
Well, in any event,
yeah.
I don't think we're going to send the packages today, even if the carrier shows. I don't think the carrier's showing. Yeah. But they could show tomorrow. And if we don't have to deal with this tomorrow, if we're dealing with other stuff and the carrier shows up, we'll just go, oh, here, we have these. Yeah. That's where we want to be. Right. So, you ready to pull them?
Yeah, let's go. First item is a lot of 14 Thieves World books. 5 Alpha SF5.
SF5. Yeah, this is some of the more valuable of that stuff. I forgot. Oh, man. Look. I got to move 4 things. I'll be right back, y'all. Hopefully before the hurricane hits, I'll get to this box. Okay. It took us about a minute. Yeah. I was handing boxes down to Candace and finally unburied this.
$64.99 for those.
That's some of the best books we had there in that the second time we bought.
One of the Disney pens sold from the stuff I was listing yesterday, Pocket 132. This is for the Polynesian Resort.
Yep, there it is.
$12.99 for that one.
That's cool. It's still on the... Boy, you know that was a long time ago. It cost $4.
I know.
The original price tags on there.
You probably can't buy anything at Disney World for $4 now, like not even a Coke.
Or a water. Maybe a water's $4.
They will give you free tap water if you provide it, if you have a cup or whatever.
Okay. Well, you might need to by the time you pay for everything else.
I know, right?
I just saw a thing. I just watched a video the other day about how Disney has priced so many people out of going there.
Yeah.
But you know what? It's still full all the time.
I know. I don't understand like how something costs that much and it's wall-to-wall people when you go. It's crazy.
Yeah. I don't want to go back, honestly.
I know you don't. I do.
I enjoy Disney World. I really do. Like, I like the rides and just the whole vibe. I dig all of that. The crowds, man. The crowds I don't like, and the lines. Yeah. That ruins it, Candace. Like, I mean...
I know. You have to pick and choose when you go. And the last time we picked a really bad time.
Yeah, it was horrible.
It was my fault.
It was not good.
All right, 10 Echo Craftsman battery charger.
Okay. Well, I mean, everyone's kind of restricted to go, you know, based on when the kids are out of school and stuff. And when we want to go because Molly's out of school,
yeah, we'll just have to go without her.
That would be really weird.
$14.99. All right, the next three things is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. We did a bundle deal for somebody, so it's the big lot that Lonnie listed yesterday on 3 Alpha.
Okay, let me grab it. This guy right here. This is that lot I listed. I mean, it is pretty full too. Yeah. I put a little bit of void in there, but it's chock full of vintage TMNT. It's pretty good collection there.
In the flatware drawer, T.D. Towson Leonardo. He's a quarterback football player.
He's complete, huh? Yeah, like he has
got helmet, footballs. Yep.
Okay, yeah.
And then the third thing is in the Joe drawer, it's Ace Duck.
Joe drawer. Yeah, so what we did, the buyer offered $100 plus shipping for this, and what is the other thing? It's Joe?
Ace Duck in the drawer. It's Joe's drawer.
Okay, here he is right here. I remember him with the wings.
Yeah.
Actually, we made the deal a little better for them because they wanted these three things for $100. Is that right? Mm-hmm. And we did it a little cheaper because 65. And how much did this guy sell for?
25.
65, 90. We did three things for 90 because I was like, you know what? We'll just throw this in.
Yeah.
This is a repeat customer of ours, so yeah. All
right, Kirker drawer. The Coors. I thought that said Bear. Coors and Ducks Unlimited belt buckle.
Okay.
$26.99 for that. Pocket 157. This is a I don't know how to say the word.
Hang on, let me see. Let me see what it even is, and then I'll.
Okay.
Oh.
Good luck predicting what I was trying to say.
Okay.
Because you're not going to. What kind of photo do you think that is? Lonnie?
Oh, I know what you're talking. It's like a 10 type, but it's called something else.
It is called something else.
Yeah. I shouldn't have interrupted you, huh? Is that your point here?
I can't say the word anyway, so you'd have to look
Let me
at
see.
it.
It's some kind of metal word or something. Oh, daguerreotype or something like that. I don't know how to, or daguerreotype. Yeah. I don't know how to say it either.
So there's a good market for these, especially the bigger ones. And this was like, it was a little case that opened up, and I only have half the case. It does have in the title. $19.99 for that little thing.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I wonder how long it took to expose that photograph. That lady probably had to sit there for like...
Look at that big smile on her face. She's so happy to have her picture taken. Because if you know, back in the day, they usually didn't smile for photos.
Right.
Yeah. And she is just... Look how happy she is.
Probably you couldn't smile for that long because it took a long time to take a photo back then.
Your cheeks start cramping if you have to hold a smile.
Yeah, the film they used back then was not near as reactive as it was later on, you know?
Yep. And then last thing we're pulling is 3 spark plugs, CC13.
Every now and then, huh?
Yep.
forget about them.
Forget about it. These are
How many is it?
3 of them in a beige brownish boxes.
Okay.
Champion, stock number 431.
That's it.
RC14YC.
That's it right there.
Okay, $8.99 for those.
Okay, that's everything that's sold. Let me put this guy up. All right, I know this is a really short one. Let's see, it's noon. The noon update came out. Same track. Y'all can see it's going. That's the blue dot is where we're at. It is 90 miles an hour. They had said it might hit Cat 2, but it looks like it's going to stay Cat 1. So that's a positive.
Yeah.
If you're in the path, I hope you made it out okay, or made it through okay, I guess, unless you had to evacuate. And then I do hope you made it out okay. We are going to go ahead and shut down.
Yeah.
We're not gonna stay in here just in case.
Yeah.
Or ride this thing out. Hopefully everything's good. I know it's a very short video, but we did want to go ahead and put one out just in case. We wanted to put out as much content as we could, just in case we're without power, or we're not able to film for a little bit. Then yeah, we want to get as much up as possible. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.
Bye.